your Windows PC is running slowly or slower because of these two settings is turned on or enabled on your device. If you want to have best of your device, make sure you turn off these two settings, and in 2 minutes guys you are good to go. So let's go and do that right away. The first one is to turn up startup apps on your device. A lot of people install apps and allow that apps to start running immediately you tap on the power button on your computer. This is wrong, and that is why your computer take longer time before it boots up once you tap on the start button. To fix this is very simple. Right click on the startup button or the start icon, click on task manager. It brings to this interface, then come to this place where you see startup. This is button that looks like speedometer. Click on it. Now take a look at the status of every app you have on your device. If they are enabled, make sure you disable them. Make sure you disable them. Apps like Xbox, apps like WhatsApp, and others that we are not using here, disable this app. So this will prevent your computer to run slowly each time you tap on the power button. Now how do you do that? Is very simple. Just right click on any of the app, you see disable and enable. Click on disable, or just click on the apps like this, then come to this place, you'll be able to see disable and enable. Click on it to disable or enable any app startups on your device. The next step is that you need to stop apps from running on the background of your device, and this can be carried out in a very simple way. Now come to this place, click on it, click on settings. Once you click on settings, wait a bit, let it come out like this. Click on apps. Now click on installed apps. Once you click on installed app, wait a few seconds for these apps to come out like this. So you have so many apps here that you've installed. Some of this app is running on background here by making your system to lag and perform slower. So let's take a look at some of this app and stop it from running in the background. Like Microsoft Team Personnel. Click on these three dots, click on advanced option. Now scroll down to this place until you see a button that says background apps permission. This button, now click on it and select never. It means all apps you have here will not run again on your device without your permission. So you have to manually check all these apps that you have here and do what, and stop them from running in the background of your device. So if these apps are running in the background of your device, then guys, you likely have a slow system once you tap the power button on your device to start running. So always endeavor to make these apps to never, so that your device will run perfectly when you turn it on. So that was guys on how to prevent your computer from running slowly each time you tap on the power button. If you enjoy what I've explained this video and if you don't subscribe, please subscribe. Don't forget to like, share, drop your comment in the comment section. See you soon guys on our next video.